Welcome back to OffTrack RC. It's Sport Mod event number 3, race number 2. First time out, we saw Jeremy Marks set the scale with the Taurus truck as TQ. But in racing competition, side by side, it was Chris Blank and Orange Thunder 2 taking the measure of the field. He's got the advantage going into race number 2, as he'll look to grab the trophy for the overall event. As points are accumulated over 2 racing brackets in one event, it should be exciting. It's hot here in the JB Scale Dreamfields Coliseum, and the action is going to get wild.
Starting off with qualifying, chain reaction, a 6:57 in third. Taurus once again strong, just like in race number 1 with a 6:56, and leading the top of the pack, it's Equalizer, driven by Chris Parrish with a 6:47. A lot of trucks in that 6-second bracket. Equalizer ahead by a 10th, so it'll be interesting to see how it all unfolds as racing starts to unfold right now. Little Tiger and El Toro Loco Zombie. Salerno versus Hackinson right now. Oh, it was close to the final corner. Trouble for Little Tiger, and El Toro Zombie wins via penalty. Hackinson right back up on the line, this time with the pink El Toro Loco, facing off against Caleb Jasinski and Toodle. The win goes to El Toro.
Drivers ready?
Thunder Chicken, Chris Lane, and Bad Habit, Jared Hockaday. Chicken, the 13 qualifier. Hockaday, the 20 qualifier. Both trucks with issues getting down the track, but Thunder Chicken finally gets there first.
Drivers ready?
Chris Lane back up on the line in the far lane this time, up against Mike Spurlock and Wildfoot. Again, close to that final corner, but King Kong climbs to the win.
Drivers ready?
Chain reaction and Orange Fury 2. Iron Aaron James in the near lane. Blank, Chris Blank in trouble in the far lane. And it's all Iron Aaron James.
Drivers ready?
Gravedigger Evolution, Jordan Sicht in the far lane, and Maximum Effort, Fred Coors in the near lane. Coors all out of shape through the first corner. Jordan in the far lane, trying to ease it around for the win. We Wrap Anything. Calder Sick facing off against Orange Thunder 2. Ooh, sounds like trouble for We Wrap Anything. Maybe a drivetrain issue, but Orange Thunder gets to the finish line first. Our final pair in round number 1, Wild Side, Mike Spurlock and Metal Health, driven by Devin Treat. Wild Side with the win. Round number 2, our fast qualifier, Equalizer in the far lane, and El Toro Loco Zombie, Chris Hackinson. It's a all-Chris battle. Fairly close by a few truck lengths. Equalizer moves to round 3. Right back up on the line, Hackinson with El Toro Loco Pink, and the Punisher in the near lane. Oh, the Punisher all out of shape, and the Bull goes on.
Next up.
Mongoose facing off against Thunder Chicken. Struggles for Thunder Chicken in the first matchup in round number 1, and troubles again. Mongoose going to take the win.
Drivers, are you ready?
Barefoot Racer in the far lane, and King Kong Chris Lane in the near lane. Another all-Chris showdown. Barefoot off to the lead, Kong charging. Trouble for Kong. Barefoot with the win by penalty. Let's take a look back at that. This is a good illustration of the 2-wheel rule, as Kong misses the top of the obstacle with the 2 front tires, giving the win to Barefoot. Roadhog, Aaron James in the near lane, and Taurus in the far lane. Taurus, the number 2 qualifier, and backing it up with the win in round number 2.
Drivers ready?
JB Scale Graphics, Caleb Jasinski and Jordan Sicht, Gravedigger Evolution. A bit of a high side for Caleb in the far lane, but still gets to the finish line first. Nice recovery.
Drivers ready.
Orange Thunder
Watch the
and
light.
Chain Reaction. Chain Reaction, number 3 qualifier. Going a little wide through that first corner, but no penalty as Chain Reaction takes the win. Our
Driver
final
ready.
pair in round 2,
Watch the
Wild
light.
Side. Mike Spurlock in the far lane and TMNT Andy Salerno in the near lane. Neck and neck, power down to the finish line. That was a great race. Maybe one of those instant classics. Neck and neck all the way through the track. Into the final corner. 2 different approaches. TMNT gets the power down and flies past him at the finish line. Equalizer and El Toro Loco on the line. We saw this matchup with the Zombie Bowl in the last round. This time it's the Pink Bowl, but the result is the same as Equalizer takes the win.
All right.
Mongoose and Barefoot Racer, 2 very similar trucks. These 2 often work almost as a team. 2 ACRC 3D Havoc chassis and 2 similar performances. Nose down, that was wild. Let's take a look back. Powering down the middle straightaway. Mongoose with the lead. Barefoot trying to charge back, but at the finish line by a truck length. Mongoose. Jeremy Mark right back up on the line against JB Scale Graphics. Taurus versus JB Scale. Again, Taurus, the number 2 qualifier. JB Scale off to the lead. But high side in the final corner. Wow, let's take a look at that just for fun. Taurus got the win, but Caleb doing some driving in the near lane and then up and over endo after endo after the finish line. TMNT and Chain Reaction. TMNT sitting on the line, ready to go. Chain Reaction playing some mind games in the far lane, trying to get set just right. Now TMNT making sure the truck is perfectly positioned for this race. James with an incredible first corner, off to the lead. He got out of shape heading to the finish line, but still gets there first. That was a great race as TMNT slides around the final corner trying to make up time, but not quite. Semi-final round, the final 4. Equalizer in the far lane, the top qualifier against number 4, Mongoose. Issues entering the second corner for Equalizer, and Mongoose smooth gets the win. Taurus in the far lane and Chain Reaction in the near lane. This is the number 2 and 3 matchup. Chain Reaction off to the lead. No! But he misses the final obstacle, a 2-second penalty, and Taurus goes to the finals, where Taurus will face Mongoose. It's an all Jeremy Mark finals on the line, waiting for green. Taurus off in the lead, and Taurus is going to take the bracket win. Taking a look back, a solid race, but Taurus off in the lead and holding Mongoose on his hip the entire race. A final charge for Mongoose, but too little, too late.
Well, Sport Mod Bracket 2, Jeremy Mark with his first ever win on dirt. An incredible performance, and it wasn't just a single win. You went all the way to the finals with both of your trucks.
Yeah, I kind of guaranteed that I couldn't lose the final somehow because I could only lose to myself. That was pretty much the guarantee. But yeah, just like in retro we did earlier, for some reason this track is just working perfect for me, and I just kind of got in a zone today.
Well, he's definitely got it working well, and that also leads to our second part. Jeremy Mark and Taurus is the overall champion in Sport Mod for event number 3 with 50 points, setting the tone, looking great out there. You're going to be creeping up on the points lead if you're not already in it.
I think I was somewhere in the bottom of the top 10, so hopefully we'll be competing for the title again. It was a couple years ago that I made all 3 class podiums. I'm trying to get back to that after last year where I had a really off year.
Well, he's off to a good start. He's looking for podiums in the season finale and OTRC. It's a long season, though. A lot can happen. We'll see what happens. Make sure you follow along with us.
Event number 3 belongs to Jeremy Mark and Taurus, and that did vault him up the points season standings into second place with 101. Wildfoot with 91 points, Mongoose with 90 points, and Equalizer sitting on top of the charts by a number of rounds with 131 points. But don't forget that there is a drop coming at the end of the season. The 2 lowest bracket scores go out the window, and we crown a champion. It's been exciting sport mod racing. We've got more action coming up. Make sure you subscribe, and we appreciate you joining us. We'll catch you next time.